today we will discuss what is the fertility problem after increase in the type of acid sulfate soil. It is the problem that means in the acid sulfate soil or acidic soil or any type of problematic soil that increase the specific nutrient concentration. Then increase the contamination of the soil nutrient or concentration. They suffer from the plant growth and the effect of the more than in the decrease the crop. So these are the type soil like acid sulfate soil has the result of excessive accumulation of the hydrogen and oxygen. So the discussion is the hydrogen activities and the carbon. So the acid sulfate soil have the pH less than 4 and the directly indirectly causes the sulfuric acid and the formation of oxidation of the pyrites. So the again this is the upon the drainage, when the drainage the soil becomes strongly acid and which directly affect the growth of plant and result the aluminum and iron toxicity. So they indirectly decrease the availability of phosphorus. That means they increase the aluminum with the antagonistic effect like aluminum and iron. So increase the antagonistic effect. That means the directly effect on the growth of the phosphorus. Directly affected the growth. So the this increase the insulin concentration the suppress the phosphorus. The India is approximately 3,90,000 hectares of the land are the found in the acid sulfate soil, and generally in the area is covered by the 0.25 million hectare. In the total area 3.2 million hectares, in the covered by the only 2.6 million hectare. And next is the Charney introduced the term. The Chandri in 1945 they introduced the term acid sulfate soil that have been drained and have absorbed the sulfate and the yellow colors and geosite colors, and they usually have the bottle color of the middle is water. So because they have yellow color in the infertile nature, and the Dutch farmers named as the Katakali and the meaning that cat clay, doing the cat clay. At that time, if the soil is the drained exposed by the lowering of the soil water table, and the sulfate react with the oxygen and the sulfuric acid. So undergone the acid sulfate soil occur the situation of the where come in the from the reclamation has been attained to the. So the term is the potential acid sulfate soil. Actually, is the drained of the drainage system. So what is the fertility problem of acid sulfate soil? That's the main topic discussion of today. So the actual acid sulfate soil are generally unproductive soil. This is the unproductive because the high concentration of nutrient in the soil. So the productivity has been one or more of the following unfavorable factors like soil acidity, salinity, aluminum toxicity, iron toxicity, low contain major nutrient and base saturation, and hydrogen sulfide toxicity. So the characters why one will discuss. So the first is the soil acidity. Reported soil acid sulfate soil has been due to the direct effect of hydrogen ion concentration, especially the below the pH 3.5 to 4, and the aluminum toxicity probably in the important this range. Second is the salinity. What is the salinity? Salinity, that means the acid sulfate soil has the ideal other tidal effect. It affect the salinity. The salinity aggregate the other toxicity like both the weakening of the plants and increasing the iron and perhaps the aluminum and solutions. So the moreover the many young sulfate soil, the electrolytic and content exchange the upon the reduction of the harmful levels because they increase the concentration of those in the soil. So the aluminum toxicity, one is the cause of the so the certain plant species aluminum toxicity. This is a high aluminum effect likely despite certain enzyme activities and the cell division and the harmful effect of the phosphorus and the calcium and potassium is also. So most plant acid sulfate soil are grow in the pH less than suffer from the air toxicity, but the death of plants grown in the soil where Vietnam and more toxicity of the aluminum. So the iron, next is the iron toxicity. Iron toxicity dissolve the iron in 3 to 400 ppm in toxic for the rice plants. Only toxic for the rice. So Nihal and the Remarks in 1996 reported the concentration of ferrous and the Vietnam soil reached with the 800 ppm the 6th week after the submergence. Then the later usually 5,000 ppm and the water soluble ferrous is found in the week after the submergence in the acid sulfate soil. The Tanka and the Navarra 1996 found from the 500 to 700 ppm ferrous solution are obtained in the Malaysia and the Vietnam and acid sulfate soil is the 30 days of the incubation as the effective mode of toxicity in the plants. So the next is the low nutrient content. That means the absence of iron and aluminum. Absence of iron and aluminum toxicity is harmful for the salinity and phosphorus deficiency. And most of the important problem with the acid sulfate soil is the especially sulfur and the tapegoids and the bank of the plants. With nitrogen is increasing the phosphorus energy. So the low base status. So during the formation of the acid sulfate soil, bases removed from the sulfate. The most of the exchangeable complexes occupied the minimum and role of the sulfate are likely deficient of the calcium and potassium. So next is the hydrogen toxicity is the last one is the hydrogen sulfide is the been with found toxic for the rice plant through the suspension of the oxidized power of the roots. So the sulfide was the determines the electric attraction as the electrohydrolytic is the 1.5 milliwatts in the 5.2 and 2 milliwatts is the 0.2 and these are the concentration of the 0.2 0.6 and 6 milliliters. So the respectively this soil was the low and active ferrous at 0.2, so that the iron was the sufficient inactive in the sulfide. So control the electrohydrolytic acid sulfur soil and for different parameters, C25 and C6. So that's all. Next one is the regulation of management of acid sulfur soil. So the first is the prolonged. You should make the dry season and prolonged emergence and leaching of the rainwater, seawater of the this is addition of the lime in management of dioxide, rating the growing of the spreads and roughening the calculation of fertilizers, application of water and control. So important of the drainage system of the soluble salts and others. So that is the acid problem developing the drainage and depth of the acid soil and to control it. So that is